Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you to those who are watching and those who will be subscribing after watching this video. So today's look, I will be doing a Janet Jackson Scream inspiration makeup look for tonight's events. I'm going to do some Dusse. I will be going to a Dusse event. So this event is called Dusse Palooza, and I am really excited about it because I really don't know anything about this event. I do know that it's been going on for about 7 to 8 years. I know it's really big in like New York because they also have a Henny Palooza. But yeah, it's really big in New York. This is their first time in Boston, and I'm just like really excited about it because one, it's sold out. Fabulous will be there, and I'm not hating on Fab, but I've seen him about 4 times now, so I'm kind of like, all right, next. Also, we have DJs from Boston. They are called the Super Smash Bros, and they're 2 brothers who actually, you know, DJ in Boston. They like host a lot of the events out here, and every time they DJ, it's lit. So I'm really excited about tonight. So basically, my makeup is based on my outfit for tonight. So I feel like I'm doing some Janet Jackson vibes right now with my high ponytail, the white t-shirt, the black pants, and I'm also wearing like these pleather leather boots. So I'm excited about it because, you know, when I step out, I step out. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump into this look, and I just can't wait for the outcome. And we may get some background scenes from tonight's event. So let's get started. So to start off for this evening's look, I will be using the P. Louise base. I have not used this base before, so I'm not gonna use a lot. I'm just using a little bit of the base so that I can get a nice clean look for tonight. I'm not really doing any colors, but in the Scream picture, as you see right here, it's more of the black eyeshadow underliner, so that's what I'm going for. Okay, so we're back, and I went ahead and did one side, and the eye is very simple as we seen earlier. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you all the products that I've used, and I was just playing with, I mean, the look's not completely done, but for the most part, this is kind of it. I feel like makeup back then was so simple, and I like simple makeup, so you know. Okay, so I basically started off with these browns here just to kind of get a base. As you can see, it's a little tinted in the back. It's okay. Like I really have not found the perfect like base. Like I just want one to match, and I don't want to use concealer because I feel like concealer is a lot, but I just need to match. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye. Just tapping the colors back and forth between each other. There's no real specific order, but as I put it on, I can see if I need to go lighter, if I need to go darker. Okay, so now I'm going in with the black eyeshadow, and I will show you all. So I'm going in with this eyeshadow right here. It's black, a special color. On this side, and I'm going right on the lash line, and almost as if I'm doing a cat eye, but I'm not. And I'm placing it and I'm smudging it at the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Black Track Fluid Line by MAC, and this is really black, so I really like that because I feel like the eyeliner that Janet has on is really dark and rich. So I'm gonna take an angled brush and just go over the eyeshadow that I placed there, and I'm gonna hopefully get this Janet look going. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and add some on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and flick it out on the ends. I feel like in a lot of her pictures and her videos, she has like a cat eye going on, but I'm not like doing a cat eye. I'm just like flicking it out. My smudge brush and kind of smudge that back out. foundation, I will be doing my NARS Longwear Radiant, because y'all already know I gotta do this foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. And I'm gonna keep it really nice and natural. I'm not going to pack on a lot because, again, I feel like back then they didn't wear that much makeup and they just kept it nice and simple. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Milk concealer, and I really like this concealer too because it is nice and thick. I feel like it has a nice hydration to it, and again, it's like organic. I wouldn't say organic, but it's like vegan kind of friendly makeup. I really like this concealer, so I'm gonna let this dry down. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out now because it's definitely dried down. Alright, so now I'm going to take my smudge brush and the black eyeshadow again, and I'm going to go right underneath my waterline. So for this, I'm going to come in close. So right like on the line. Doing this first before I set my makeup because I just want to make sure that I'm getting close to the line as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Beauty Bakery powder. I'm going to go ahead and set right underneath my forehead. So I'm kind of blotting and pressing. I'm gonna go a little more here. Get a nice little highlight going on. And then chin. Alright, so I'm gonna let this sit down just for like 2 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my MicroSmooth powder and kind of dust this off, get my color back, you know, not look so ghostly. I wouldn't say like ghostly, but you know, for the most part, I just want to get my color back. There we go, there we go. And around the lips, I've definitely been having some texture going on. My skin has been acting a little crazy, and it was because I woke up like sick, and I was blowing my nose, and it was getting really rough, but okay. Real clean. Now I'm going to take my Cover FX powder. I'm just going to kind of bronze with this. So the perimeter, I don't really do the whole face. Real clean, real clean, real clean. So now I'm going to take my corduroy eyeshadow and I'm going to use this to kind of do my contour. Very light. Not a lot. Keep it natural. Okay. And we're highlighting our cheekbones. Not highlighting, but we're defining our cheekbones. So, into the hairline. And blend, because we don't want any harsh lines. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and throw my lashes on, and then we'll be back to do the lip. Really like my makeup right now, but right now I'm gonna just add a little bit more bronzer. I watched this girl at work and she just goes in, like, she just bronzes up. So I'm trying to add dimension. Yeah, this looks really good. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with that black and I'm just gonna go underneath my eyeliner. Okay, and now just to make it a little darker, I mean, like, how much black can you add? But I am going to go in with my black eyeliner because y'all know I like black eyeliner. Okay. Janet would be proud. Janet would be proud. And I think I'm gonna keep it kind of low right now. I was gonna add some highlight, but I don't know. I like this like this. I like this like this. It's just natural. So I think I want to keep it natural. Keep the focus on my eye. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and do my 90s lip with my Chestnut lip liner. And again, making sure it's feathered just the right way. So on top of this, I'm going to apply my Park Ave lipstick by Tarte. And it has mint, just a heads up. So I'm going to top it off with my Marc Jacobs. This is the Sugar lip gloss. And I'm just going to add a little, you know. Okay. This is what our lips look like. I like it. Okay, so here is the final look. Very Janet. Yes, Janet. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face because I did not spray my face yet. So let me spray my face. Hold on. About this look, I really like it. It's very natural. I have not tried an eye like this, so I was really excited that I came across the picture because you know I love Janet and I love Michael. Okay, but yeah, so tonight I'm going to go to the Dusse Palooza party and I'm just so excited because I've never been and it's time to turn up. But yeah, this is like this might be my new go-to. And look at the lip. So it's very different from, you know, the Aaliyah collection. This gives real luster right now. Okay, real luster. But again, I just want to thank you all for watching and tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye. All right, so what at Dusse, right, Jen? It's dark because I don't want people looking at us, but look at this line, and we gotta go all the way up there. Yep, up there. So we're sitting in the car until it's time to get out. It's crazy. Like,
because fall is here, baby.
Yes, it's very cold in Boston right now. Like, this isn't even real. City.
If your ass is ratchet, make some motherfucking noise. If your ass was drunk.
If you ain't busted,